So you've created an amazing jump rope and now it's time to share it with the world. I'm Austin, Jumprope's beauty content director, and in this video I am going to show you how you can share your jump rope video or images to Pinterest. First, connect Jumprope to your Pinterest account. Make sure that you have a business Pinterest account in order to connect it to Jumprope for easy uploading. To share your video directly from Jumprope to Pinterest, select a video and hit share. Go to the 4x5 section and choose your video. Then you can hit save and choose your board, and Jumprope will save this to Pinterest for you. Once you upload a video, don't forget to also share some image pins to increase chances of people actually seeing your content. Upload one or all three of the exports that we provide within the app. Once you've successfully uploaded your video and images, go back in and add any keywords, tags, or links that you want to also include with your pin. Still have a question about uploading to Pinterest? Feel free to chat us here on the Jumprope app or slide into our DMs on Instagram. We're always around to answer any questions you might have, and I can't wait to see all of the amazing content that you'll create on Jumprope and share on Pinterest.